Kung alam ko lang, paulit-ulit ko na sanang sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita.
A man whose love remains unfinished.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Celine?
Hindi ako si Celine.
A woman whose life is yet to unfold.
Eto na nga oh, ang layo na ng narating ko. I have a chance to make you and Papa proud again.
One place will bring them together.
It is said that La Sagrada Familia was built as an atonement for the city's sins. When finished, it will be the world's most beautiful apology.
Okay lang yan, maayos din naman lahat eh.
Baka lang kasi naalala mo si Celine kaya mo siya tinutulungan.
Ang layo, tita.
Konting hirap, suko agad.
Bayaran mo na lang ako pag nakaluwag ka.
Gracias.
You looked inside my fantasies and made each one come true.
Will the love they find be enough to let their story begin?
Thing that's keeping you from moving on.
Stop acting like you know my pain. Stop acting like you own it. Hindi ikaw si Celine. And you will never be Celine.
Star Cinema proudly presents an Olivia M. Lamasan film starring Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla. Barcelona, A Love Untold, September 14.